Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Deal Machine versus Batch Lead. When comparing Deal Machine and Batch Leads, both platforms offer comprehensive tools for real estate investor, but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. The overview of Deal Machine is that it is renowned for its robust driving for dollars feature, allowing investor to identify off-market properties while on the move. It also offers seamless integration for skip tracing, direct mail, and AI-powered marketing tools, making it a favorite among investors focusing on direct outreach. The strength of Deal Machine is that it has driving for dollars experience with advanced features, integrated AI tools enhancing marketing and lead analysis, and has unlimited skip tracing with additional tools for unmatched accuracy. The weakness of Deal Machine is that it has higher pricing tiers, may be a consideration for budget-conscious investors, and limited on-market wholesaling features compared to Batch Leads. Choose Deal Machine if you prioritize advanced driving for dollars capabilities, integrated AI tools for marketing and lead analysis, and has unlimited skip tracing with additional accuracy tools. While the overview of Batch Lead is that it provides a more data-centric approach with advanced list building capabilities, extensive skip tracing options, and a multi-line dialer. It's particularly suited for investors who prioritize data accuracy and comprehensive marketing automation. The strength of Batch Lead is that it has extensive data coverage, especially in non-disclosure states, comprehensive marketing automation tools, and multi-line calling capabilities with batch dialer integration. And the weakness of Batch Lead is that it has driving for dollars feature lacks some advanced functionalities, and user interface may be less intuitive for beginners. Choose Batch Lead if you need extensive data coverage, especially in non-disclosure states, comprehensive marketing automation tools, and multi-line calling capabilities with batch dialer integration. So basically, this is the difference between Deal Machine and Batch Lead. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.